Tesla made quite the splash at the recent Cybercab event by showcasing its humanoid Optimus robots alongside the introduction of the new Tesla Robo-Van vehicle. The Optimus robots were seen walking out as part of the grand reveal, leaving quite an impression. These robots are not just for show. Tesla Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk revealed some of their impressive capabilities. In a video, Optimus was shown performing tasks that would typically be handled by humans, like carrying a package inside from the porch and even watering plants. During the presentation, Elon Musk emphasized just how integrated these robots could become in everyday life, saying the Optimus will walk amongst you. According to him, you could walk right up to them and they would serve drink or help out in various ways. Musk further elaborated that the Optimus robot could practically do anything, including walking your dog, babysitting, or mowing the lawn. As for the price, he estimated that these robots would cost between $20,000 and $30,000 in the long run. Musk is not one to shy away from bold claims, and he declared that the Optimus could become the biggest product ever of any kind. Live stream footage showed event attendees interacting with the robots while the robots were not demonstrating all their capabilities yet. They did wave to the crowd and hand out small gift bags. One of the robots even engaged in a game of rock, paper, scissors with a guest. Although the robots were not seen performing more complex tasks like serving drinks just yet, they certainly drew attention in one part of the event. A group of Optimus robots was spotted dancing inside an enclosed gazebo, adding an element of fun to the evening. Last year, Musk introduced a second-generation Optimus that was both lighter and faster than the original prototype. In a more recent announcement during Tesla's April earnings call, Musk said that Optimus robots would start performing useful tasks by the end of this year and could be available for sale externally by the end of next year. When the project was first announced in 2021, it was not taken very seriously. The introduction involved a person in a robot suit performing a lighthearted dance. However, in 2022, Tesla revealed a functional though early-stage prototype. Now Musk says that Optimus could revolutionize civilization and significantly improve economic productivity, with the potential for mass production in the millions, priced around $220,000. Musk even suggested this could lead to a future without poverty. Tesla's robot, known as Optimus, represents a significant advancement in the realm of household assistance, particularly in cooking and general home management. Here's how Optimus is set to transform these areas. Optimus is designed to handle various cooking tasks, which could include preparing meals, managing kitchen appliances, and even cleaning up afterward. The robot's capabilities are expected to extend to tasks such as chopping ingredients, stirring pots, and following recipes with precision. This level of automation aims to make cooking more accessible and less time-consuming for users, allowing them to enjoy home-cooked meals without the usual effort involved in meal preparation. As a house assistant, Optimus is envisioned to take on a wide range of household chores. This includes cleaning, organizing, and performing routine maintenance tasks. The robot's ability to learn from its environment and adapt to different household layouts will enable it to navigate spaces efficiently, ensuring that it can assist with various chores seamlessly. For example, it could help with laundry, dishwashing, and even grocery management by keeping track of supplies and suggesting shopping lists based on what is running low. Optimus also has the potential to serve as a nanny or caregiver robot, particularly beneficial for families with elderly members or those needing assistance. It can provide companionship, monitor health metrics, and assist with daily activities, thereby enhancing the quality of life for individuals who may require additional support. This capability positions Optimus not just as a helper but as a valuable companion in the home. The vision for Optimus includes making it an affordable household item, with a projected price range of $20,000 to $30,000. While the rollout of such advanced robots may take time, the potential for Optimus to revolutionize home life is significant. Experts believe that as the technology matures, robots like Optimus could become as commonplace as washing machines and dishwashers, fundamentally changing how we manage our homes and daily tasks. Tesla's Optimus robot is set to advance cooking and household assistance significantly, offering capabilities that could enhance efficiency, convenience, and quality of life in the home. Thanks for your interest on artificial intelligence and robotics. If you're not subscribed yet, Subscribe now and turn on the notification bell to get notified of our newly published contents. Endeavor to watch our next video on artificial intelligence and robotics. Goodbye.